Alam ninyo mga kapatid kung ano ang pananampalataya? Ang pananampalataya ay hindi isang pakiramdam. There are 5 senses that we have in operation right now that connects us to this physical material world. There are 5 senses: the sense of seeing, the sense of hearing, the sense of taste, the sense of feeling, and the sense of smelling. Itong lahat ay in operation upang tayo ay makagalaw sa sanlibutang material at physical na ito. But if you will just trust your 5 senses, hanggang dito lang ang operation mo at limitado ka lang sa physical na sanlibutang ito. Ngunit bilang mga anak ng Diyos, sapagkat ang Diyos natin ay hindi lamang nasa sanlibutang ito, siya ay Diyos na hindi nakikita, kaya hindi siya maaabot ng ating 5 sentido lamang. He will not be reached by our 5 senses only. If you want to have an intimate fellowship with the Lord, you must use your sense of faith. But that is where the problem lies. Because when disobedience came in the Garden of Eden, that is one of the things that God gave in us as His creation, His masterpiece. The Bible says, and man was created in God's image. That was one of our treasures that the devil took from us. He robbed us. Ninakaw niya sa atin. Ano ang unang ninakaw niya? Yung sentido ng pananampalataya. Bakit? Sapagkat kung makukuha niya yan, wala na tayong connection sa Diyos. Hanggang sa sanlibutang ito na lamang tayo. At siya ang maghahari sa ating buhay. Na kung ano ang kanyang iparirinig sa atin, kung ano kanyang pakikita sa atin, ipauunawa sa atin sa pamamagitan ng ating damdamin, yun lamang ang ating gagalawang sanlibutan. But when Jesus Christ came, the Bible says, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God, and the Word was made flesh and dwelt among us. Jesus came down upon this earth, and then He robed Himself in the flesh, and He took what we have right now. Our body became His body. Our feelings became His feelings. Your loneliness became His loneliness. He was a man touched with our infirmities, yet He was without sin. And so He is able to succor them that comes to Him, because He felt like you felt, exactly like a human being. So He knows where you stand right now. And then, what happened? On the death, on the cross, He defeated the devil. And when the devil was defeated, all the spoils the Lord took, and one of them is the sense of faith. And He brought it back to us and said, have faith in God. Isinauli niya sa atin yan. Kaya ngayong umaga, naririto tayo sapagkat tayo ay nananampalataya sa Diyos na hindi natin nakikita. You must have faith in God because you don't see Him. Faith is the substance of things hoped for. So really, faith is grasping the unrealities of hope and bringing them to the realities of our physical world.